Imagine waking up in the morning, brewing your coffee, and stepping out onto your own private veranda in your RV. Well, that dream could be yours in the brand new Salem 42 Veranda. I'm going to take you on a tour of this amazing park model. Let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to drop a like to get the algorithm going. So let's take a tour, guys. All right, guys, let's start in the kitchen here, where you've got a beautifully appointed kitchen. You got a massive sink with a cup washing station. You've got a full residential LG refrigerator. You've got tons and tons of cupboard space in here. Huge convection microwave. You've got a full-size oven and a 4-burner gas cooktop. And then check out this pantry. Now moving into the living area, you've got an L-shaped sofa with an ottoman. You've got tons of windows here. You've got an Insignia smart TV with a beautiful fireplace and your JBL stereo. Coming down the stairs into the front of the unit, you've got this massive bathroom. Check out the size of this shower with a waterfall feature. You've got a porcelain toilet, and then stepping in here, you've got a nice sink area with some prep space and some more storage. And then moving into the bedroom. This is a great sized bedroom. Look at all the natural light you get in here with the surrounding windows. You get a king size bed, and this is the coolest part. Come on in here. We've got the VersaTilt mattress. So you can actually move this mattress up so you can sit up, watch TV in bed. And then one of the coolest things we've done is we've ordered the stackable washer dryer in here as well. All right, and if you have friends and family staying over, you've got your own private loft here. So coming up the stairs, this is probably the coolest loft that I have ever seen. You've got your own entertainment area here with a flat screen TV. You've got a queen size bed with some storage, and you got this nice little chill area to hang out in. Before we go out and look at the veranda, I want to show you a couple of things in here as well. You've got central vac and an electric dustpan here as well, so you can sweep everything in there. And then this is one of the coolest features that the Salem Veranda has. All of these window shades are all electric, so you can choose which shades you want to lower, which ones you want to leave up. And watch this. All right, now let's talk about the centerpiece of this trailer, and that's this beautiful, huge veranda. Out here, that you can imagine yourself entertaining. You've got a full griddle here to cook your bacon, eggs, whatever you want. You've got a little bit of a sink here as well. And then underneath the sink, you've actually got your water filter and you've got a fridge. So imagine yourself standing out here. You've got a covered area here. It's got a fan, it's got lights. And one of the coolest things, this piece here, you can actually run it in so it doesn't have to be this large. You can actually shrink this down if your spot's not big enough to accommodate this whole area. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you think. I think this is one of the coolest park models we've ever had here at O'Connor RV. So this has been another RV Talk with JP. I hope you enjoyed this review. We'll see you again.